normally an example I can give you when you say mommy, daddy, I want to go to the internet cafe. Why? What's the need? Immediately teacher gave homework from social studies or English or mathematics or science. That print out, this print out, you will give this much explanation. Then your parents won't listen you totally. Homework, one word enough. Okay, go. They will unwillingly, they will allow you. Okay, because no option. The word homework is enough. So same thing. This even she is also child like you. She says that she gives a tip to who? Mrs. Naidu. If ever you want your work to be done, just tell your parents that's a school homework. They will allow you. Okay. They will 100% agree to it every time. She guaranteed. Not 90%, 99%, total 100% guaranteed. They will allow. They will agree. That agree means they will accept it. Maybe I should start from the beginning. Now, little bit distraction. So she said, let me start from the beginning. The reason she wants to stay. So the beginning from the start. The beginning was last week. She explains why she has to write to her. The beginning was from last week. Last week I started class 6. That means a new academic session started. She has been promoted from 5th to 6th class. So new academic session of 6th starts for her. And I met our new teacher. Who is the new teacher here? Animis. Her name is Animis. That means her 6th class teacher for her. Who is not like any teacher I have had before. I have had before. She says, my Animis, the teacher for my 6th class, she is not like any teacher I used to have before. So here if you see, both have, had is used together. Children, here have means helping verb. What do you call as are, is. Same way, have, has is your helping verb. The same had is also a helping verb. When had is a helping verb and together you have, this is considered, one is helping verb, had is taken as a main verb. Okay. So in that way we can write have, had together. One is considered as a helping verb, another is considered a main action. What we do, that is considered as a main action. So here she says, I have had before. I have had before. So this still have presents the tense. Which tense is the sentence? At which time this action is going on. Okay. And this substitute the main action. She says, I used to have it before. Whichever teachers I have, she is different from others. Who? My Animis, 6th class teacher. For example, Animis says she doesn't think school should be about memorizing things and saying them back. One, how she is different. She finds her Animis to be different from other teachers so far she has been her class teacher. So she states one example. She says, my Animis says that school should be, doesn't think, she doesn't think. That means Animis doesn't think school should be about memorizing things and saying them back. That means Animis doesn't feel that in school only you should come, learn and say them back and go to school. It should all not be about only learning, only by heart. Learning means here about by hearting. Normally we just without understanding, without application, just by heart and say them to your teacher, and that is not at all school. That is the thinking of who? Her Sarojini's class teacher. What is her name? Animis. She feels. That's why Sarojini felt she is different from other teachers. Okay. Now she states this as an example. She says, memorizing things and saying them back makes you a parrot. Who says? Animis. Animis says that memorizing, learning by hearting things and saying them back makes you a parrot. How? Normally have you seen parrots? Whatever they train them, whatever you say, they will repeat the same. Do they understand? No, they don't understand. They just follow you. They imitate you. That means you train them about understanding. Because doing such things makes us a parrot. We are not parrot. Not a person. Saying them back makes you a parrot, not a person. We are different from parrot. We are not parrot. We are human beings. We are persons. We have brain to use. We have to think, analyze, discuss, then decide. She says she wants us to grow our brain and our hearts. Who says Anime says? She says that she wants us to grow our brains and also and our hearts. See, together, growing brains and hearts, really very deep thing. What is that? Overall development. When you learn things, you learn by heart, you improve your subject, then what about your heart? So you grasp things. There are many things with the lesson your teacher teaches us. Yes or no? Many good things, differentiating good things, bad things, this behavior, that. He took it in manner from how to stand, how to speak, how to sit in a class, how to behave with elders, how to speak properly, everything. Everything. That's why school is a first learning place where you grow overall. This 10 years, you grow. Each class, not only they teach you in whatever there in these books, they give you many more things which improve you as a person, as a human being. So Animis said them, I want you people to grow in the hearts and brains together. Not only growing brains, not only getting knowledge, but improvement all over. When she said that, I wanted to ask us how growing our hearts will help us pass our exam and get into a college. So she said that yes, growing brain means getting knowledge. But she wanted to ask Animis a question that how growing our heart will help us to get a job or first to get into a college, then get a job. How? Because she doesn't understand how it will help us. Because when you read more, we'll get marks, that certificate will help us to go for next class, then we pass out of school, then we pass college, then we join for a job. But how growing our hearts will help us? She wants to ask a teacher. And get a job and buy a house with a proper roof. Actually our aim is yes or no. For everyone who is studying in the school, what is your aim? You will come up with a goal, aim. I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, I want to be a actor, I want to be a cricketer. You have an aim in your mind. That means I am coming to school to read and to become so. That's your aim, that's your goal. Yes or no? Each and every one you have. The same way she says, because she says how growing our hearts will improve us in such a way where we can get into a college and get a job and buy a house with a proper roof. Our ultimate aim to make a house, beautiful house, at least for her, beautiful house. Yes or no? We all people want to study. You people are, yes or no? You people all want you, what do you want to do? You want to work, you want to study hard, you want to work and make your parents happy. Each one of you have something in your mind. I will buy a beautiful house, I will have a car, big car. Yes, the same way for her, how it will help us to get a house with a proper roof. That means it should be well furnished. And maybe even a garden, which are all the reasons why I go to school. She says, maybe we are all having reasons for this. So this is my reason. Maybe this is the reason I am going to school. Even a house with a beautiful lawn, garden, what you say. This is the reason even I am going to school, she said. So that's why everyone goes for this. Even I am going. This is the reason for me why I wanted to study.